Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi K30 Pro, and today I will show you how we can change the fingerprint animation on the lock screen. So let's go for the settings, find passwords and the security, then move to the fingerprint unlock. Use your PIN code, click next, and right now you have to scroll down until you find the other section when you will be able to enter the fingerprint animation. And here we get the 4 of the animation: starlight, neon, ride and the pulse. I would probably go for this one, so just choose that one that fits you the best, and then you can simply go back. Let's lock device and then try to scan it, and as you can see the animation has changed. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.